Officer Florence Crowell investigates a woman whose pit bull has previously attacked neighbors. Little does she know, she's next.
Benjamin's coming out, so if you don't want to get bit, you better get out of here.
Oh man, it's like the dog knew right away. That's all she's gonna say is I told you to stay away from him.
Who knows what would have happened if the neighbor hadn't come to her aid. Julie, call 911. Here, in slow motion, witness the incredible power of the jaws of this ferocious
Yeah, she stood no chance. It was biting on it like a bone. Heh.
How could you let the dog out?
I didn't! The door was open!
Yeah, right, you went to open it.
That's it! Oh, please! I don't want to be arrested!
Miss Crowell's hand was crushed and her breast punctured. Paramedics took her to a nearby hospital. The dog was eventually put to sleep and its owner prosecuted.
Bye, dog. She should have been put to sleep too.
At a racetrack in Great Britain, another animal goes on a rampage. Thoroughbred Formidable Flame breaks free when its saddle strap slips down to its groin, causing excruciating pain.